Hello my friends, my name is Munive with Munive Yacht Sales, and today we are on a 2019 407 Cuddy by Intrepid Powerboats. I'm going to walk you through it. This custom 407 Cuddy by Intrepid Powerboats is a beauty, maintained on a lift and cared for with the highest standards. You will be impressed when you step on board this vessel. She gives you all the enhanced accommodations you would expect in a luxury performance cruiser. Intrepid is most famous for its advanced technologies and fabrication techniques that deliver smooth and dry rides. She is powered with Triple Yamaha 350c outboard engines. With top speeds of 60 miles per hour, you will have no problem getting from point A to point B. A fiberglass folding rear bench seat is recessed into the transom wall with corner deck lockers for storage. For divers and swimmers, she offers a convenient swing-in hull-side dive door with a lightweight aluminum powder-coated step ladder. The adjustable Helm seat is comfortable with armrest and sculpted bucket seats. At the base of the seat are dual pomponette pedestals and footrests. The centerline console has enough real estate at the dashboard to fit dual 22-inch screens of your choice. For the captain's convenience, a 4-inch adjustable electric platform rises to give more visibility. This is perfect for resale, as the next owner may want to adjust his height with respect to visibility. In addition to the rear bench seat, companion seat, and helm seat, you get even more lounge space with the U-shaped seating forward of the console and its complementing port bench seat. The majority of your guests are comfortably under shade due to a large fiberglass hardtop, which Intrepid calls their half tower. This popular area is one of the reasons demand is so high on this model. Walking down into the cabin, you will find two sleeping areas. The high-low electric table has been lowered on this particular boat because the owner customized an 8-inch super soft filler cushion to convert this settee into a spacious sleeping area. At midship, you will find a queen-size berth and a large window to let in all the natural light. Curtains, window blinds, and skylight covers allows for privacy. Two couples will be delighted to take a getaway on their next destination. The galley is plenty outfitted for overnighting and daytime entertaining. The head is sufficiently large with separate shower. This sleek all-white modern Cuddy is stylish and well thought out. Once you experience a day on this boat, you'll know why everyone always dreams of having an Intrepid. My name is Munive with Munive Yacht Sales, and I want to thank you for letting me walk you through this beautiful boat. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.